out there. But before moving forward, let me all wish you a very, very happy Women's Day. I had brought so many products from Nykaa now that I thought why not do a haul and review it for you guys. I feel that they provide a wide variety of products and I'm into love with this site. Hold on till the end of this video guys, because you will be seeing some of these products which I will apply on my face and review it for you people. I have first up with me is something under 100 from Blue Heaven, which I have seen many reviews of. So this is a concealer stick which has a really bad packaging, but I must say that the product is good and it's worth it. It's just 100 rupees guys. What will you get out of it? Then next I have this Blue Heaven waterproof makeup foundation with SPF. I doubt if it is with SPF really. And for those who are very particular about paraben free products, then you must not go for this product. I just bought it because it was for like 115 or something. I'll just mention the exact price while this video goes. I feel the concealer stick was much better than this foundation because it does not give the coverage at all, neither did the stick, but you will definitely have to apply it twice or thrice to get good results out of it. So this is a swatch of this product, but I don't see much difference. So if you want to use it as a daily basic product, then you can go for this product. Moving on to the next product, that is also from Blue Heaven guys. I don't know why I bought so many products at a time from Blue Heaven. I should have tried it first. But I was looking into the Nykaa hauls in YouTube. Many YouTubers have done this under 100, under 200 Blue Heaven Nykaa haul. So I thought why not give it a try, right? So this is an eye palette from Blue Heaven. It comes with 12 shades, which is great. And for that price, it is really a yay for me. I haven't tried it yet, but I'll just do a mini swatch review kind of thing for you guys. Oh my god, oops, it came out. One of the shade from the palette just fell off. So when you guys are handling any of the Blue Heaven products, just handle it with care because the packaging is really bad. Maybe because it's cheap. So they are just saving money on the packaging. Let me just show it to you. I have just taken the shade which fell off from the palette. So I think that the product is really pigmented. Next up I have this Lakme Enrich lipstick matte range of shade OM10, and this is kind of a coral red orangish color, and it is a cream lipstick. It's not that matte. Next up I have a product from Biotech, which is BioKelp, and it's a protein shampoo for your falling hair. It is worth rupees 159, but there was some offer when I ordered it from Nykaa, so I got it for a little less. Next up I have this body soap from Biotech. It is made from almond oil with pure fruit and vegetable extracts. So I think that it would be a great product because as far as I have used Biotech products, they have proved to be great and it worked for me. Now here comes the newest addition to my cosmetics and skincare family, is this coffee scrub. This is really interesting because earlier I used to prepare these home remedies, the home scrubs, which I used to call it as. So guys, do let me know if you want me to do a video on homemade coffee scrubs, then comment in the comment section below. I bought this product, that time there was an offer going on Nykaa and it was buy one get one free kind of offer. So if I purchase a face scrub worth rupees 332, then I would get a body scrub free onto it. So let me just stop blabbering and show you guys what that product is. So this is a product from M Caffeine. It is a face scrub. It is made from naked and raw coffee. So as you all know that coffee is a great antioxidant product which we can use, and it is really helpful to reduce puffiness which you could see under your eye. Let me just unpack this and look how it is. Received this discount coupon from M Caffeine. It says that it will give me 15% off on my next purchase for any of the caffeine for skin or caffeine for hair products. So I'm gonna next time buy it. Now here comes the most cute purchase out of all of these products, and this is an M Caffeine coffee body scrub. So this is also made out of naked and raw coffee as we saw for the face scrub. But isn't it very cute? This cute little glass bottle. I'm in love with this packaging. So it is very sturdy and it smells exactly like coffee. Moving up, I have this sunscreen body lotion with me from Lotus, and I feel this is a really great product because it has SPF 25 PA+++ in it, and this is really useful when you go out every day, drive in sun, and it acts really good as a sunscreen. And I'm telling you this because I have used it n number of times. And let me just show it to you guys. So this is how it looks, and it has a really smooth application. It is very smooth. You can apply it all over your body. One quick and personal advice to you all is use sunscreen body lotion as well as face. It's not just your face which gets tanned, also that your body gets tanned. So please do use sunscreen daily if you go out. So guys, I don't have any makeup on right now. I'm going to try a few of these products and let's see how it works. So the first product which I will be applying is this Lotus sunscreen with SPF 40. And I just need to take one pump. This much should be enough. Yes, now I am done applying this sunscreen and it feels great. It was not at all greasy, I felt, because I had used other sunscreens which were much more greasier and it just leaves your skin a little bit oily. But it was not at all oily. Next up, I have this face moisturizer from Biotech. It is a bio-coconut product. It has virgin coconut extracts and it has a smooth texture. It smells great. You can also use this cream as your night cream. Apply it at night and just leave it. So next up, I am having this sunscreen compact from Lakme. It says that it has SPF 40. So I apply it almost daily, so you can see that it is kind of over. I need to refill this into my cosmetic section. But I feel that this is a great product. Now that we use compacts daily, what I feel is that compacts also should have sunscreen because it is too hot these days, especially in Bangalore. And let me not talk while applying this and just apply it quickly. Yes, so I'm done applying this sunscreen compact and it was okay. Like, it was a little dry for my skin, I felt. So those who are having a dry skin type should not apply too much of it. You can just apply it to set your makeup so that it acts like a sunscreen as well as the compact. Next up is this Deborah Milano eye mascara. So it gives volume and curve to your eyelashes. This was my first buy from Deborah Milano. So I've used many mascaras including the Maybelline one. Maybelline ones are really great, but this is also a good competitor. So guys, next up I have two of my favorite purchases from this haul. This one is Nykaa lipstick. It's from the range Nykaa So Matte and the shade of it is Naughty Nude. And the next product which I have with me is the lip liner from Nykaa. It is in the shade of red. I have Miss Claire eyebrow pencil, and this is a waterproof eyebrow pencil. It is in the shade 02, which is dark brown. It has a really cool brush on top of this lid, as you can see. Yeah, so it becomes really handy when you travel. Hope this video was very helpful to all you pretty ladies out there. I will mention list of all of these products which I bought from Nykaa along with their link in the description box, so do check that out. So guys, that was all from the Nykaa review haul, and do let me know by commenting in the comment section below and tell me your views, or tell me if you want me to do a video on any of these products to be a descriptive review video. So I will do that for you, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Toodles!